Hello, I wanted to show you some of the maintenance of my classes. Here's an example of my faculty bio. I put a little friendly bit about me, a video explaining who I am and showing some of my Behance work. Office hours, my email, professional experience, academic credentials. I also fill in questions for a professor. I put the faculty bio in the multiple places. I put in announcements. I put in super helpful notes when I can. I also have another announcement that has my phone number in it. Um, let's see what else. I fill out the calendar. I put my days off in there. And let's see, as far as different milestone tasks, I always put in a starter note. I try to include images so they can get a better direction if it's needed. So that one has a lot of examples on it. Here's some more explaining what a mood board is. As you can see, trying to get them excited for it. I love mood boards. Wasn't hard to do that. Style board, same thing. So this is just one class, and this is the just like the maintenance aspect of the class. As far as grades, I guess that's a whole nother thing to talk about. So I will make another video for that.